This often overlooked strategy pulls worldwide views while you sleep. This is Upload and Stream. Streaming less often could be costing you growth. With Upload and Stream, you can take any recorded video and broadcast it live to every platform at once, whenever you want. Here's the flow. Open your video storage and drop in your video or pull it from a connected source. Now, once it's uploaded, you can click these three dots and pick Schedule Stream. You build a playlist or just use a single video. Now, add your title, and I'll paste in the description that I wrote earlier. Choose the date and the time you want to go live, and also how many times you want it to loop, and you do want it to loop. Add that all-important thumbnail, choose the channels that you want it to go live onto, and hit Create Event. Your video is now set to live stream exactly when you want, to every channel and time zone you want to reach. No script fluffs, no demo fails or tech dropouts, just a flawless event, even with your laptop closed. Or you can hop into the chat and interact with your community. Either way, your climbing watch time will earn you an algorithm boost, even when you're offline. Give Upload and Stream a try, subscribe for more tips, and let us know how you get on. Cheers! No way! You can't write this!